Oh, well, we got to talk, man. Motorola, we have a problem. I'm so glad that I bought my phone directly from Best Buy and not Motorola. So I gave you guys an update a while back saying, "Whoa, Motorola owes me $5,000." Well, that wasn't a joke. Um, that is true. And again, I'm so happy that I got my Razr Fold from Best Buy because it just would have been a nightmare with trade-ins. I didn't do a trade-in. Remember, I told you a recap here. I actually had about $1,400 in Best Buy gift cards, and so I got my device at a great price. And so I'm happy that I didn't have to do a trade-in or anything to get this phone. This is an amazing device. No, nothing against Motorola. This is absolutely stunning. But the process with Motorola is where it falls apart. Now, I didn't even do a trade-in with Motorola, but some of you guys have been reporting that you're not getting what you're supposed to be getting for your credits and things like that. And I'm just excited that I didn't get this phone that way, and it would have been a nightmare, more than a nightmare, more of a nightmare than it is right now. So that video wasn't a joke. I did, end up paying for two more of these in the Razr as well, the Flip. So all phones and every devices were shipped out in error. And so what I decided to do with the Razr Flip is to use it because I thought I would keep it, but it turns out it wasn't for me. So I sent them all back. I didn't open any of the other packages for the other two. I shot a video on that as well. However, getting a refund is a nightmare with Motorola. When you take phones that have accessories inside as free, that is where your nightmare starts if you have to do a return, because the system doesn't automatically pick up that, hey, there's more than one thing in this box. And so a human opening the box should be able to just go ahead and click a button and say everything's returned. But they don't make it that easy. Unfortunately, they don't make it that easy. And that's just what it is. They screwed it up, and they screwed it up bad. So I decided to call them again. It's been several weeks. I actually placed these orders back on May 16th, I believe, May 16th and May 18th. And it is June 11th. And these things I tried to cancel them right away. It didn't work. But nonetheless, I didn't fault Motorola for that. I said, I'll take full ownership of, me placing these orders and then changing my mind because I could get it. I decided to go this route. With that said, though, it shouldn't be this hard to get a refund. It's been almost a month. Now, the two larger orders that I had, those actually got a refund, like 85%. A lot of those, almost 90% of those are returned, basically, a little over 90%. They still have like $100 balances on those two larger returns. My Razr Flip, that thing just got refunded today. Why it took so long, I don't know. I know they had to inspect it since I opened the box or whatever, but it was still brand new. And so I get it, but I was told by Motorola that, when you sent in the Razr, we accidentally didn't put it in for a refund. So that's what took so long. Wow, man. I mean, this is just bad customer service. Regardless of if I placed the order, wanted to return or whatever, this is like, it's almost a deterrent for me to even do anything else with them. And unfortunately, there's a phone that just came out that I want, and I plan on buying it. So I just have to and I didn't do any kind of trade-ins or anything like that. So hopefully if I order from them again, when I order from them again, I don't have this problem. Because this is a nightmare for a person what if I didn't have the money? Like, what if I was super struggling or whatever and it was an error? What if it was an error in their system? It just could have been really bad. And the fact that I wasn't pressed for the $5,000, that's made it a little easier on me, but still I was frustrated with the whole process. Every time you call their customer service, it's bad, man. It's like, if you've called their customer service, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to get on video and try to insult anybody or degrade anybody, because that's not what it's about. It's simply all the customer service is outsourced. And it's crazy. It's not that the people are doing a bad job. That's not it. It's the fact that, some of the people I've gotten on the phone, they just don't seem to care as much. Only thing I kept getting told is, please give us have some patience and give us a chance to work this out. Well, you go ahead and hold $5,000 on your credit card and see what you want to do with that. I was going to tell you to just hold on, I'll take care of it. Just trust me. That's essentially what they were saying. And I was annoyed with it. I was like, they got to be kidding me. I'm just supposed to sit back and wait. So I ended up calling Motorola at least every other 3 to 4 days since this process has happened. And they give like these partial refunds because of the accessories and the trade-in. The system, when they scan it, the people scanning it and checking the phones in are not intelligent enough to just go ahead and say, hey, let me click this too. We got to get this person a full refund at the same time. So in the end, I was upset. I'm not as upset this time. They still owe me $250 or something like that total out of the $5,000. And I'm still being told, be patient with us. It's going to work. System did this. System did that. Well, we don't need the system right now. We need the system to be overwritten by a human. Whoever checked in my stuff, checked in your stuff more than likely, and they just don't care as much. And the lady several people that I spoke to pretty much said the same thing. Yeah, when they're checking it in, the system doesn't read that there's more than one thing in the box. And some of the people I've gotten up there are very rude, man, arrogant too. They literally do not care. They don't care. If they do care, their actions say that they don't care. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to get the rest of my money back. And I'm going to give Motorola another chance. I'm going to give them another chance. And you'll see how shortly. You'll see how shortly. It's your man Jay. Quick one. I'm out of here. Motorola, get it together.